Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. You can now put captions in your videos automatically using Canva. It's a wonderful feature for people who have hearing impairments or just anyone really who wants to read your content as opposed to hearing what you're saying for whatever reason. Using captions in your videos will also or can also increase your viewership, your audience, right? Because now you can include the people who normally wouldn't be able to partake of your video because of, whatever limitations they have, whether it's hearing impairments or, whatever. Now, this is so super easy, and I'm going to show you how to do that as soon as I get inside. So just stick around. The first thing you want to do, you guys, is log into your Canva account. Go to canva.com and log in. If you don't have an account, all you need is an email address to get to sign up for a free account. Okay, and once you log into Canva, this is the screen that you'll see. I'm going to use a YouTube video, which is right here. All of the documents or sizes that you want to use are here on this line. If you want to see more, just click on more and you'll see all the options that you have. Okay, you can also just click on this arrow and you'll see that there's just so many. You can also type in whatever you're looking for in the search bar on Canva up here, or you can click on create a design and just type in what you're looking for, or look for your document or dimensions here as well. Okay, so those are your options. So I'm going to click on YouTube video. And this is how easy it is to create captioning using Canva. It's very straightforward. Okay. The next thing you want to do is go to Uploads. Click on Uploads. You can click on Upload Files to upload the file that you want to work with, the video that you want to put captioning in. You can upload the file from your computer, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, Google Photos, or Google Drive. Okay. I already have a video uploaded, so I'm going to go to Videos, and I'm going to choose this video, which is probably going to make it as a part of this video to show you how easy it is to put captioning in your video. You click on the video you want to populate in your work area, okay? And then you drag the circles to cover the white space behind your work area. And it's important to cover the entire space because whatever you see here is what you're going to see in your video, okay? And what your viewers will see as well. Okay, so now to put captioning in, all you have to do, guys, is over here in the left-hand menu where you have design, elements, text. Okay, you just keep toggling down, scrolling down, and on the Magic Media, you'll see captions. You click on captions, click on generate captions, and there you go. It says it's creating captions, and it already did it. It created the captions, as you can see. That's it. There you go. Now, guys, just so you know, you can also customize this captions, right? So what do I mean by that? You can also customize the captions by clicking on it. You can change the color of the captions, black, purple, blue, whatever color you want. I think I'm going to use black so that it's easy for you to see. You can also increase the size of the captions. Okay. You can make it bold or not. You can move this wherever you want, up, to the side, down. You can also add effects to your caption by clicking on effects in the menu on the top. Okay. Shadow effect. And with the shadow effect, you have options. Offset, which you can see makes it darker or lighter. Direction, that's just the direction in which you want the shadows to go. You can blur. Transparency is how dark or how light you want your caption to look, your text to look. You can change the color here as well, okay, to whatever you want. You can add a background if you want, okay. You can round the background however you want. You can spread, which means make the background thicker or not. Transparency is also available. You can curve your, let's move that up a little so you can see. You can curve your caption or not. Okay. Yeah, let's make that one line. And you can also add animation by clicking the animate button on the top menu. And here we go. We have rise, pan, fade. There are many of them over here, you guys, you can just play with. You can rotate, you can flicker, pulse, and wiggle. Okay. So many options. So that's it, you guys. You can also change your text, right? You can change your font, I should say. There you go. To whatever you want. How awesome is that? So now you no longer have to upload a written script to generate captions in your video. You can just use the auto caption, which is free on Canva. Now, one thing I have noticed in a longer video, I noticed this by trying it twice actually. In a longer video, it had a harder time generating the caption. I don't know if it's because it's new. This is a new option for Canva, or maybe I wasn't speaking clear enough. I'm not sure. So, but this is an option. You guys can try it for your own videos and see if it works for you. Okay? When you're done with your creation, when you're all done with your captioning and your video, all you have to do is click share, click on download, and Canva gives you a suggested file of MP4. If you don't want that, you can always go through and see, which other file you want. But Canva's suggested file have always worked perfectly for me. You then click download, and it will download on your computer. Okay, and then you can do, use your video to your liking. Right? So that's it, you guys. That's how easy this is. Canva has really come a long way. It's so powerful and it's so easy. And the best part is it's free. So that's it, you guys. That's how you put captions automatically in your videos using Canva. It is so super easy and really accurate. I was really surprised. This is a new feature. So jump in and try it. This could increase your viewership. And also whatever it is that you have to say in your content that you want to share with the world, more people will be able to partake of that. So jump in, get a free Canva account. It's free to create the automatic captions. It's not a paid feature. So if you try it, let me know how that works for you. All right? Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.